Hey everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to share with you all my PAC makeup brushes, and you can have all these brushes directly from PAC website or from many other online stores like Nykaa, Amazon, Myntra, etc. So guys, the first brush I'm going to use is PAC 285. It is a small dense stippling brush with very soft bristles. It has flat top and duo fiber bristles. The build quality of this brush is excellent, and it is a perfect brush for blending cream product on small places, I mean spot concealing or color correction. The second brush is PAC 074. It is a small concealer brush with round top. It has very densely packed bristles. It is also a good brush to blend cream product on small places like spot correction or color correction. It works better for curved areas of face like blending concealer on my brow bones. Next is PAC 224. It is a dual head flat foundation brush. The bristles of this brush are very soft. The large head blends foundation like a dream. It is a very good brush to apply dewy foundation on specific areas of face to have natural makeup look. The small head can be used for color correction or spot concealing. It is a multi-purpose brush with excellent build quality. I highly recommend this brush. Next is another foundation brush of PAC. It is PAC 265, a flat top kabuki foundation brush. It is densely packed and blends foundation quite well. Any type of foundation, matte, dewy, runny or thick, can be blended seamlessly with this brush. This is my oldest PAC brush and still it is in perfect shape and there is no shading of bristles. Then I have PAC 219. It is a concealer brush with flat head. The top is tapered at two sides, which makes its head a perfect fit to inner corners of eyes or under eye areas. It is densely packed and blends concealer seamlessly. Another concealer brush of PAC that I have is PAC 272. It is also flat head brush, but the top is tapered at one side. The brush also reaches the inner corners of eyes quite well. It is also densely packed brush and blends concealer without any problem. Among PAC 219 and 272, 219 is my favorite. Then I have PAC 234, which is a small size kabuki brush with flat top. It is also very densely packed and blends any cream product very well. I use this brush to blend my cream contour. The bristles are a little short in length, a little large head would be better. Next is the powder brush PAC 245, a round brush with pointed top. This brush is not too dense or not too fluffy. It fits the under eye areas very well and perfect for applying setting powder or compact powder. Next is PAC 214. It is a blush brush with large round head. The top is tapered at one side and it fits the cheek areas very nicely. The bristles pick up powders very well. Now this brush is quite dense and if the blush is very pigmented, then it may give patchy look. Then I have PAC 304. It is a large fluffy duo fiber brush, perfect for stippling the makeup. Now anytime I want to have gentle stippling over a large area of my face to blend all makeup seamlessly or to remove any patchiness, I use this brush. Next is PAC 306. It is another stippling brush that I have. It is smaller in size and denser than PAC 304. Now it is not very dense or very fluffy and also has duo fiber bristles. Anytime I want to blend a small specific area of my makeup, just like I'm blending the contour lines here, I use this brush. Next one is PAC 131. Now it is a highlighter brush, but I use it as a small powder brush. I like very light diffused highlighter on my face and it is too dense for that. If you like very blinding highlighter, then it may suit your highlighting purpose. Now it is a flat brush with tapered head and has very soft bristles. Then I have this eye brush PAC 104. It is a large fluffy brush with round head. It is a good brush to apply single eyeshadow over the whole eyelid. Now I use it as a highlighter brush and it gives very soft gentle look. Next is PAC 273. It is a large dense eye brush with round head. Now it is a brush to apply eyeshadow on the crease. Now if you have very wide eyelid space, then this brush is a perfect crease brush for you. But I find it too large for my eyes. Next one is PAC 374. It is a flat eyeshadow blending brush. This brush fits my eyes very well and blends eyeshadow perfectly. I don't like the white bristles as they are not as sturdy as black ones. This brush also a little out of shape, but still I can use it. Then I have PAC 163. It is a small round head eyeshadow blending brush. I use this brush mostly for my lower lid. It gives the lower lid eyeshadow a diffused look. It also can be used to pack or blend eyeshadow on upper eyelid. Next one is PAC 229. It is also a small round head eyeshadow blending brush. This brush is very similar to previous PAC 163, but it is a little smaller. I use this on my lower lid to add dark shadow close to my waterline. Also, I use it to intensify any eyeshadow on upper eyelid. Next is PAC 383. It is a small shader brush with tapered head. Now, this brush is perfect to add eyeshadow along the lash line. Sometimes I add dark color eyeshadow over my eyeliner or kohl to give it a smudged look. This brush is perfect for that. I highly recommend this brush. Next one is PAC 202. It is a very small curved brush, almost like a pencil brush. It is perfect to apply eyeshadow on a small area of eyes. I am using it to highlight the inner corners of eyes. Then I have PAC 208. It is a very unique brush. This is a round head brush with a pointed top. It is quite densely packed and perfect to blend the kohl liner of eyes. It also can be used for highlighting the inner corners of eyes or to add eyeshadow on a small place. Finally, this is PAC 101 and it is a small flat brush with tapered head, and this brush is for nose contouring. Using it, one can draw two lines on nose and then blending those two lines can achieve a perfect nose contouring. I have seen James Charles to do his nose contour like this, so I brought it, but my nose is too sharp, so I don't use it that much. So if you like this content guys, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.